Hi. Enjoyed paragliding?
Yeah, it was alright.
Okay. From which country?
England.
England. Okay. How frequent you come to India?
First time.
You came for the first time.
Yeah.
Okay. You landed from Delhi straight. You have came to Himachal or somewhere else also you have went.
Amritsar.
Amritsar. Okay. So at Himachal, this is your first place you are coming, or you have been to some other place also?
No, first place.
So how do you find it? How do you like the place?
It's very nice. Yeah. Good for fly. Yeah.
Okay. Enjoyed flying.
Yeah.
Okay. How much did they charge you for this?
No charge.
They didn't charge you.
Oh, to fly here, the permit.
Yeah.
350 rupee a week.
Okay. These all stuffs you have brought yourself.
Yes.
This is your own.
Yeah.
So you can fly as many number of times you want.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have learned all these things from somewhere, or like, a World Cup also happens here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you're. Are you thinking to participate in that someday?
No.
Okay, it's just for fun.
Yeah. Yeah. Free flight in the mountains. Yeah.
इसको लड़का नहीं लाला इसके बाद इसके पूछो सब कुछ इसको बताइए ये वैसे नहीं करवाता ज़्यादा
सर जी आपका नाम?
ज्योति ठाकुर।
ओके आप यहाँ फ्लाई करते हैं?
आज मैं फ्लाइंग करता हूँ यहाँ से 15 साल से फ्लाई कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा।
लाइसेंस लिया है यहाँ पर?
मेरी सर्टिफिकेशन इंग्लैंड से हुई है।
इंग्लैंड से हुई है। कितने डाइव्स मारे थे मतलब आपने ऐसे कितने?
सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए तो मिनिमम
25 होता है?
नो मिनिमम 100 आवर्स यू शुड लॉग।
100
100 hours a time you should log before you get your certification,
Okay.
and then you can get your certificate.
So
Then you have
this
to pass.
is like from the highest peak or something or what?
Yes, actually, because this is the third best place in the world.
Third best place to do a paragliding.
Paragliding.
And which is
First
the-
in Asia,
First in Asia.
Yeah.
And then what are those other
Brazil
places?
and Australia. Because in there, what do we have? We have longer daytime, because sun sets very late,
Okay.
so we can have longer flight time. But here, what happens because sun sets early, so we don't have this
How
flight time.
much time you think should take to fly all this?
Minimum, just like we run courses here around 5 to 6 days. You can fly at your own.
5 to 6 days.
6 days. We run here basic courses.
How much feet is it?
It's around 8,800 feet, 2,500 meters.
2,500. How much distance you guys cover in this flying? Like this parachute is flying. For how long it will gonna fly in the air?
Depends upon the conditions actually. It depends on the condition, depends upon the day. The minimum, the highest I've been to 150 kilometers.
150 kilometers you've
but-
covered?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
And where did you land it?
Here. I've been to here, then Dharamshala, come back, and there.
With this paragliding only?
Yes.
And how much hours it took you?
3 hours.
Only 3 hours?
Yeah, 3.5 hours.
Great.
And the site record is 212 kilometers.
And whose record is it?
Debu Chaudhary, I think. Yeah.
And okay, is he here only?
Yes, he's around, I think, but I don't know.
What's your record time?
Mine is tandem and he's in solo because I fly with the two peoples.
Okay.
That I did just 150 kilometers and he
Is
did.
it scary?
No, it's
It's
not.
not scary.
Beginning it is. I won't say it's
Beginning
not.
it is,
Beginning,
okay.
just like
So is it allowed for everyone, or like you check out some medical things as well?
No,
that,
you
know?
no, you don't have to. Just like you can just like if you don't
Like
have
because many of the places it says, if any of one is a heart person or any
I
disease,
don't think so. I
asthmatic
don't
or
think it
something.
depends. Totally depend on the pilot. In which way he's doing it because it's a totally controlled aircraft.
It's just like an aircraft. This person is.
There's no difference between the aircraft and this thing.
So the person is not controlling anything.
He is controlling at all because pilot is controlling it. But when the second passenger, he's
It's just
sitting.
That's
He-
it.
Yeah, he can control it just like he can play
But
for a
for
while.
that he has to be trained.
Yeah, and he can just play for a while. We can give him the controls on the way. Then he can just like feel how does it turns, how does it move. So that is it.
Okay. So in England, where did you learn exactly?
Buxton. Last year I went to Bulgaria for the competition, and now in the May I'm going to for the Asian Championship. I'm going to China.
China. And over here also World Cup happens.
Yes.
When was the last time the World Cup happened?
Last year.
Last year only?
Yeah, pre-World Cup actually. It's not a World Cup. It's a pre-World Cup.
Pre-
And I was the meet director of that pre-World Cup.
Okay. So you don't participate in the World Cup?
No, I do, but you can do one thing at one time.
Okay, so you were
Because
just
you manage
managing
and other things, because
whole-
आइए लैंडिंग आइए.
Okay, I was just saying that how much you guys charge for one paragliding?
2,500 rupees.
And
That
for how many kilometers?
minimum that is 20 to 30 minutes I'm saying. Kilometers we cover around, you can say this peak to that peak, and that further if you get condition are further there and up in
So
the
you
building.
go till that snowy mountain
Not,
as well?
not this time. In the morning you can go, but not.
Not-
Yeah, we can, but when
You can go.
yeah, but today's condition is not so like it's just
Okay.
like so. So you can't make it so far because it's a totally air dependent, just like thing.
Okay.
So what we have to do, just like you have to see the day, you have to see the cloud base, you have to see the wind, and there's a lot of things. Then you can
So
choose
you
it.
have always represented India,
3-4 years I do.
and apart from 3-4 years, what country you have represented?
No, I just represented India only.
Only India.
Yeah,
You're Indian, right?
I'm Indian. Yeah.
Okay, you're Indian.
Thakur
So,
is a Himachali, right?
okay.
Yeah.
And how many tourists come, for this paragliding?
A lot people.
Which season? April
This-
to October?
No. October, we have just like season March, beginning of the March.
Okay.
March, April, May.
March, April, May.
And then May, June, until just like it doesn't start rains.
So in the rains you can't do
We
this.
can't fly. Then beginning of the September, October and November. And afterwards because
So
it's
you guys making profit?
cover. Yes, so. It's just like it's not very much profit, but it's our just like your job is your passion. So I mean,
Yeah, of course.
just wait, watch. What just stay. It won't come.
So this is a pilot. So he's going on his own. He's landed. He's just learned. Now he has learned for how long?
Before we just do because we do 3 courses. It's like one is P1, P2. In that we learn all about the basics of the paragliding. Then P2 and P3.
And how much you charge for P1 or P2?
15,000 for each.
And how many flights are there in P1 course?
5 to 6.
5 to 6 flights.
six flights.
And after P1, when someone can fly on its own?
Not very much. He has to go for a just like P3. Abiru,
Okay.
Look back.
क्या बोला? दरवाजा खोल दो, नॉक कर दे.
Wow, man.
हैं? और मैं
They are
अभी
the solo pilots. This is the only position you have sitting, or because I think I have seen people standing also in the paragliding. No, it's always sitting. Nice meeting you.
Cheers.